Hi guys! I'm very sorry that I didn't upload a vlog last week, but I am currently trying to produce videos for the Christmas time because I won't be able to make anything as I will be with my family, just for you to know. And yeah, look at that, guys. We have our first snow here. So as you can see right now, I am back in the apartment because, you know, I got some deliveries, and last time I was here I didn't bring any tools for whatever reason, unprepared me. But today I am prepared and I'm actually gonna do a little DIY that I was thinking about because I got these chairs. Now this is the top and then down here is the bottom, and they're plain black, matte black. And I thought it would be fun to just spray paint the tip of the legs, basically gold. And I brought my favorite spray paint, which is actually like a glossy finish, and it looks really, really nice. It's like, it looks like real gold, which is really cool. So I'm gonna use that one to do that. And I brought some tape so I can tape everything. So let's just go ahead and do that. So one chair is done. I had to put the plastic all over the whole chair because I accidentally sprayed some parts that I didn't want to spray. But I hope that's gonna look nice. I'm really excited. And now I have to do all the other three. I haven't eaten anything all day, so we're gonna have... Can you help me? I think I have it upside down. We're gonna have a Venezuelan lunch. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, we're gonna eat that and then continue working. We have a table. Look at how cool this table looks. I'm so happy with it. It feels amazing, it looks amazing, and the chairs are still in the making, as you can see right there. I'm gonna show you the result. Okay, so that is basically the result of what I just did. I am really happy with how it worked out, at least in a few. We had a few mishaps, like something like that. I hope you can remove that, like with nail polish remover or something. I don't know, but most of them look like this. And that's what the chairs look like, and I think they're gonna look really, really nice next to this table. I'm excited. Guys, you wouldn't even believe how scary it is for me to try and drive out of this freaking nightmare of a garage. Did you hear that sound? That was the floor. Oh my god. I hate this. I hate this so much. So this is what I mean. You have an upper and a lower level. That's mine. And this is the most scariest thing I've ever seen. Like, it goes down, it slopes down, and then you have this control thing, and it's just absolutely crazy. Like, what the hell? Hi guys, it's Tuesday today. I uploaded a new video on Sunday, the basics video, so I'm really excited for that, and I'm really happy with how you liked it. And yeah, I'm really glad that reading your comments, basically, that you liked it that much and that you're so grateful for it. That makes me even more grateful that I have this opportunity to try to teach you whatever I learned, and I'm really happy that I can share that with you guys. I am currently working on a present for my sister, which I'm not gonna show you right now because it's the same thing that I will show you next Sunday. So it's like the item that I am making for next week's video, just another color color she chose and the fabric she chose, and it's really, really nice. I will show you in my next vlog. I don't think that I will be uploading next week as it's Christmas, but the week after should be no problem, and I will show you the video that I'm gonna take right now of the skirt, and I'm really, really happy how it turned out. So yeah, that's exciting news, and it also proves that the thing that I'm doing for next Sunday's video is doable in just one day. Actually, I did this one in just a few hours, I think 3 hours, but then again, I already did it once before and I'm an experienced sewer. Obviously, that doesn't occur to everybody who's trying this project, but it at least shows that it's a project that is doable in not that much time. So if you're searching for a present, a Christmas present, you know, and you only have a couple of days left before Christmas, as my video is going to come out on Sunday and Christmas is the week after, this is actually something you could do because it's doable in just under a day. So that's really fun. I'm really excited, and maybe 1 or 2 of you are gonna do that actually and gift somebody a self-made, I can say skirt already, it's a skirt, as the last video already showed that it's yeah, the topic of skirts. Anyways, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm also really in a good mood lately because I'm getting more and more excited for the new apartment. You guys saw that we built actually the table and chairs. We have stuff to sit down now, and they looked quite nice with the gold. I'm trying to remove the color that seeped through the tape with nail polish or acetone or whatever I have at hand. And I hope that it's gonna go away because it would be a shame to not have it like in a neat way, I guess, and that one spill is pretty bad, so I'm gonna try to, yeah, remove that and to make it better. Anyways, I'm gonna keep you updated. Hi guys, it's Wednesday, and I just realized, because I wanted to sew my sister's boyfriend for Christmas something as well, and I just realized that it's Wednesday and I only have like 3 days or something to not only sew that present, but also prepare stuff for upcoming videos and so on and so on. I think I need to go do stuff. I want to do some joggers, and I'm basically doing it blindly because I don't have anybody to put it on. So I wish me good luck, I guess. I just finished, God knows what, the pattern for the joggers, and to be honest, I have no clue whatsoever. This looks just huge to me, and I don't know if I did it right, if it looks good, I have no clue. So I guess let's just make it and see on Christmas. So I just finished the pants. They look pretty good for not sampling anything. I just put them on, they fit me. So they should fit, I guess. I measured it again and it was correct. So let's hope that these are a good Christmas gift. And just in that moment, the doorbell actually rang and I got some hidden zippers that I actually ordered. You guys know, you've seen it in the last videos, I never ever have good zippers, good colors for the projects that I'm doing of invisible zippers lying around, and I always end up using any zipper basically that I just randomly have and the color never fits, so I figured it might as well be a good opportunity to just buy a bunch of hidden zippers. And as the stores are closing, actually lockdown is starting today, and everything's closed apart from essential like stores and the doctor and so on, I figured I might as well just order a bunch, so as I have to order them anyways from now on. And yeah, that's what just came, and now I can actually complete the skirt for my sister because I haven't put a zipper in it, because I didn't want to give her a skirt with a white zipper or something when the color is green. You saw the color and the fabric in the joggers just like a moment ago, so I didn't want to put just random zippers in there, so I figured I wait and order, and now I got them and now I'm gonna put them in. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I got these here. It's just a random bunch of colors, and they just happen to have a lot of greens in there too. I just got them from Amazon. I bulk buy stuff like that from Amazon. I also have normal ones. They came in the same package. I figure they're from the same brand, or they buy them from the same wholesale. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna use those. This color should be fine, or even the darker one, this down here. Oh, that's actually gray. I didn't see that. I'm just amazed by the fact that I didn't see that that was gray. I thought this and this was the same color, first of all, and it was dark green, but this is gray and this is black. Oh my god, my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna take this one and or maybe I should take a black one. Yeah, I think I should take a black one. The green, I think, is too bright. Okay guys, I'm actually gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you had fun watching these small updates. It's actually been 2 weeks since I uploaded the last vlog, so it's a bunch of skipping days and not a whole lot of recording. I need to get into the whole recording my days again. I mean, I've been doing Instagram and I've been doing like Insta stories and so on for I think 3 years. And I stopped in September, and I got very used to not picking up my camera anymore. So I'm gonna get used to it for YouTube, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna see you on Sunday. Bye guys!
Yeah.